Hey guys, this video is the end of the grammar section. Hope you go through all lessons before. I will show you how to do the real test step by step. You can download the test file in the download section. If you're ready, here we go.
問題1、括弧に何を入れますか ?1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。
In the test, you have to choose the best answer. Let's go to question number 1. You can pause the video and try to do it yourself, then let's check the answer. This question tests how well you understand the particle. You have 4 choices. 1, ni, 2, no, 3, o, 4, a. What is the best answer? The answer is number 2.
日本のラーメンは美味しいです。
Ramen means noodle. Oishi means delicious. Japanese noodles are delicious.
日本のラーメンは美味しいです。
We use particle no to show the possession and link nouns into a hierarchy. In Japanese, we use no to connect 2 nouns. If you missed this, check out lesson number 1. Let's go to question number 2. We have 4 choices. 1, wa, 2, mo, 3, to, 4, ka. What is the best answer? Let's look at the bucket. We have 2 nouns, brother, sister. We need a particle to connect these 2 nouns. The answer is number 3, to. To connect 2 nouns in Japanese, we use to between 2 nouns. Means and in English. I have 2 siblings, younger brother and sister.
私には兄弟が2人います。弟と妹です。私には兄弟が2人います。弟と妹です。
Let's look at the other choices. We use wa to indicate the topic. We have already one, wa. Mo means also, too. It doesn't make sense for this sentence. And ka, we use it to create a question or doubt. Normally, we put it by the end of the sentence. Let's go to question number 3. We have 4 choices. 1, ga, 2, o, 3, de, 4, wa. What is the best answer? Hitori means 1 person, the number or quantity. We use the particle de after a quantity, time, or amount of money to indicate the total.
昨日一人で映画を見に行きました。
The sentence means, yesterday I went to see a movie by myself. You can also say,
昨日二人で映画を見に行きました。
yesterday the 2 of us went to see a movie. Futari means 2 people. In the test, if you see the same pattern of the question, the answer will be de. Let's go to question number 4. There are 2 people talking. Mr. Yamashita asked Mr. Tanaka about yesterday. Did you go somewhere yesterday? Then Mr. Tanaka said he was home. The meaning of the sentence in English is complete. But if you look at the Japanese sentence, what is missing? The answer is number 2, wa. This is the first grammar we learned. We use wa to indicate topic. Topic maker, Mr. Yamashita, wants to talk about what Mr. Tanaka did yesterday. I think you will be surprised how easy the test is. Make sure you review the lesson again.
田中さんは昨日どこかに出かけましたか？いいえ、家にいました。
I hope I explained it to you as easily as possible. Let's go to the next section of the grammar test.
問題2。括弧に入るものはどれですか？一番いいものを一つ選んでください。
You have to find which one is the best answer in the position of the star mark. Don't panic. I will show you how to find it now. Question number 1. You see there are A and B talking. Blank 1, star mark, blank 3, and blank 4. So in the real test, do follow this step. Step 1, look at the vocabulary before and after the blanks in this question.
次の
Mean next you see particle no, remember only noun can follow no. The vocabulary after the blanks is
曲がってください。
means please turn. Step 2, look at the choice and identify the type of the word. Are there particles, verbs, or nouns? Choice number 1, ni is a particle used to indicate location or direction. Number 2, shingou means traffic light and is a noun. Number 3, migi means right and a noun. Number 4, o is a particle to indicate the object of the verb. Now we have 2 particles and 2 nouns. Let's try to find the answer. Step 3, try to put the vocabulary in the blanks and check the meaning. Let's look at the verb of the sentence.
曲がってください。
Means please turn. Which particle do we use with this verb? Yes, we can use both particle ni and o. Ni is a particle used to indicate location or direction. Migi is the direction, right? You can put particle ni before
曲がってください。
and put migi before particle ni. Then you have
右に曲がってください。
means please turn right. Now you can cut out number 1 and 3, remaining with only 2 choices. Next, we have
次の
that only can follow by a noun, which means you can put number 2,
次の信号。
means next traffic light, this is better. Now you can cut out number 2. The only choice is number 4. This sentence is
すみません。次の信号を右に曲がってください。
Excuse me, please turn right at the next traffic light. Let me show you one more example. The question I give you, blank 1, blank 2, star mark, and blank 4. Let's try to follow these steps again. Step 1. Look at the vocabulary before and after the blanks. In this question, you see ani and dekakemashita. Step 2. Look at the choice and identify the type of the word. Are there particles, verbs, or nouns? Number 1. No is a particle to show possession and connect noun and noun. Number 2. To is also a particle to connect 2 nouns meaning and or with. You used to say do something with someone. Number 3. Kodomo means kid and it is a noun. Number 4, 一緒に is an adverb used to describe a verb. Step 3. Try to put the vocabulary in the blanks and check the meaning. You see, ani is a noun, and you have particle no to connect the noun and show possession. Then you can put number 1, no, and number 3, kodomo,
兄の子供。
which means brother's kid. That makes sense, and you can cut out number 1 and 3. Look at the verb. 出かけました means went outside. Remember, we have particle to say do something with someone. The star mark is to.
私は日曜日に兄の子供と一緒に出かけました。
I went out with my brother's child on Sunday. All right. I would like to end the grammar section. The test is not hard. Just remember the steps and practice by yourself. See you in the next section.